Welcome to another episode of Depreciation Nation, and for those of you that have been following our project series on our 2004 X3, you've seen that we've been investing a lot of work. So today we are at an emissions inspection station in Georgia to see if the car will pass emissions, and quite honestly, we'll all be surprised. We've driven the car for about 400 miles without a check engine light, so stay tuned and we'll see how this goes. Manifold cranks down and makes a 45-degree turn on the front one, and the cat sits just below the manifold.
You got prepared, didn't you?
This car has been something.
But did you get it?
I did.
So, in the end, 400 miles would tell you too much.
We even added temperature stuff, so we had to replace it through the temperature light. So got an upper and a lower, and the lower was bad, and we waited.
All right.
Gas cap next.
Did you want to do car cash?
So, as you've seen, we passed emissions with our vehicle that is properly sorted. There was no trickery involved. There was no resetting of any dashboard lights or anything of that nature. What we did was correct the issues involved. So, thanks for joining us for this episode. Stay tuned for the next episode when we address the sagging headliner and the broken sunroof, which we're going to rebuild. And please remember to comment, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification to join our nation. Thanks for joining us.